The Upper Truckee Marsh is important because the two largest watersheds in the Lake Tahoe Basin drain here to form Lake Tahoe's largest wetland.
With more than 600 acres of wetland, the marsh is home to a rich diversity of plants and wildlife. It acts as a natural pollution filter for Lake Tahoe. The marsh is also a popular recreation area. But many decades of cattle grazing took a toll on the wetlands. And in the 1950s and 60s, developers dredged and filled much of the marsh to build the Tahoe Keys neighborhood. What was once rich wildlife habitat is now pavement and buildings. The Upper Truckee River was dredged and straightened, drying out much of the marsh wetlands and floodplain. Today, the river delivers more fine sediment to Lake Tahoe than any other tributary, jeopardizing the lake's famed clarity. The Conservancy began acquiring land in 1988 and has been planning the restoration for years. First, we'll take a degraded area that was once part of the marsh and reconnect it to the Upper Truckee River, creating more wetland. Next, we'll build new channels to redirect some of the river back to the relics of historical channels in the center of the marsh. This will make the marsh more resilient to drought, extreme weather, and other climate change impacts. The restored floodplain will also combat climate change by capturing and storing carbon. By enhancing the area's trails and recreation opportunities, we will also make this special place more accessible to everyone. The Upper Truckee Marsh restoration is the largest project of its type in Tahoe's history. It's also one of many projects the Conservancy and its partners are working on to restore the entire lower 9 miles of Lake Tahoe's largest tributary. Together, these projects are protecting the national treasure that is Lake Tahoe and restoring hundreds of acres of critical wildlife habitat.